How can they make salt with less sodium chloride and more minerals? Well, what's interesting about this salt is the location of where they get it in a pristine part of the world called the Sea of Cortez. And what's interesting about that is you have the Colorado River Delta that drains into the Sea of Cortez. So we have fresh water draining into ocean water, and that dilutes the amount of sodium chloride. So you're getting all these minerals from the mountains that are flushed into this one spot where they then capture the salt and let it dry naturally by the sun. They don't artificially dry it like a lot of other companies. And then you're left with this very unique product. It's very interesting on your food. It gives it a completely new flavor. I love the flavor. It just enhances the flavor of food, which is very different than the sea salts. But some of these sea salts are just overpowering with the sodium chloride. So anyway, I just wanted to introduce you to the Baja Gold Sea Salt. An average sea salt is between 98 to 99.8% sodium chloride. That only leaves you with 0.2 to 2% of the minerals and the trace minerals that are left, okay? But I want to bring up a chart on a product that I recommend, that I actually take. I put it on my food, that is very different than regular sea salt. Okay, it's called Baja Gold Sea Salt, and I put a link down below. And what's unique about this sea salt is it has 77.5% sodium chloride, which leaves room for a lot of other minerals and trace minerals. In fact, it leaves 22.5% room for all these other minerals. So check this out. Look at calcium, right? Baja Gold Sea Salt is 4,490 parts per million compared to the other ones, like Celtic sea salt is only 1,500 parts per million. Now look at potassium, 6,000 parts per million for the Baja. Then if we move down to Celtic, it's only 957. So the Baja Gold is more than 6 times the amount of potassium. And then check out magnesium with the Baja Gold. That's 13,200 parts per million. So if you compare it to everything else, it's way off the charts.